Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one, Logset 12, HGTE Hybrid. Logset 12 HGTE Hybrid is one of the first machines in the world to bring hybrid technology to the forestry industry. It runs on a mix of electric and diesel power, which not only saves fuel, but also cuts down emissions. This is a big win for working in environmentally sensitive areas. With its strong and precise cutting arm, the Logset 12H handles cutting tasks with impressive efficiency. Next, Arbro Mill. Arbro 1000 is a tree-cutting head that can be mounted on tractors or other small machines, making it ideal for medium-scale logging needs. Equipped with a strong and precise cutting blade, it easily and quickly cuts down trees. Its flexibility and easy installation make the Arbro 1000 a great choice for small businesses or selective logging in smaller forest areas. Next, HSM 208F. HSM 208F is a multifunctional harvester designed for high efficiency in tree felling and transportation processes. This machine enables operators to cut, transport, and process timber in a single step. Its standout features include a highly stable design and the ability to operate on rocky or challenging terrains. Ideal for large-scale logging operations, the HSM 208F minimizes the need for additional equipment and boosts productivity. Next, Giraffe All-Terrain Tree Trimmer. Giraffe All-Terrain Tree Trimmer is a versatile and reliable machine designed to tackle tree trimming in various terrains. Perfect for cutting branches and clearing utility or road pathways, it features all-terrain wheels and exceptional mobility. Making it ideal for use in both urban and rural areas. Its standout feature is the flexible cutting arm, which allows operators to work from a safe distance while maintaining precision and efficiency. Next, Energreen RoboMax. Energreen RoboMax is a unique remote-operated cutting machine that prioritizes operator safety while working in challenging terrains. Designed for rocky or sloped areas, it efficiently handles tree cutting and tough vegetation clearance. RoboMax excels at rapid land clearing, especially in hard-to-access locations. Its advanced remote control technology allows full operation from a safe distance, making it a secure and highly effective solution for a variety of applications. Next, TimberKing Champ 550. TimberKing Champ 550 is an advanced skidder with a high-capacity wood hauling capability. Widely used in Canada, it's built to transport felled logs efficiently through dense forest areas. Its exceptional pulling power enables the movement of large volumes of timber in a short amount of time. Designed for high efficiency, the LogChamp 550 boasts relatively low fuel consumption, making it an ideal choice for large-scale logging operations. Next, Hypro 755. Hypro 755 is a compact yet powerful machine designed for logging in dense forest areas. It can be mounted on a tractor or smaller vehicle, making it flexible for use in hard-to-reach spots. Equipped with an efficient cutting system, the Hypro 755 can quickly process medium to large trees. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance and is well suited for a variety of terrains. Next, Loco 83 HD. Loco 83 HD is a heavy-duty cutting head designed for use with large forestry machines, offering exceptional cutting capacity. It excels in felling large, thick trees, making it a go-to tool for industrial logging operations. Its standout features include a modular design that provides flexibility and ease of maintenance, along with high cutting precision. The Loco 83 HD is ideal for forestry projects in challenging environments that demand efficiency and durability. Next, Morbark 50/48X. Morbark 50/48X is a heavy-duty chipper designed to turn trees into wood chips for the timber or bioenergy industries. Featuring a powerful large rotor, it processes large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently. This machine is the perfect choice for large-scale projects requiring massive wood processing and is renowned for its reliability, even in tough conditions. Next, Robode XY-LOG 420. The Robode XY-LOG 420 is a wood splitter and cutter, perfect for breaking down hardwood trees or chopping wood into smaller pieces. This machine is super handy for use in plantations or small forests. What makes it awesome is its efficient design, making it super easy to process wood fast. Plus, it's capable of handling different wood types and thicknesses. Next, Hakki Arbro Stroke. The Hakki Arbro Stroke is a tree cutting and wood processing head that can be mounted on a tractor. This machine is built for felling medium-sized trees and processing logs right on the spot, saving both time and effort. Its compact yet powerful design makes it super flexible for all kinds of forestry work. The Arbro Stroke is especially popular among small business owners or landowners who want to process their own wood. Next, Quadco 5660. The Quadco 5660 is a feller buncher head designed for cutting down large trees. It's equipped with a super strong, high-precision cutting blade, making it ideal for logging in dense forest areas. This tool is built for quick and efficient felling and has outstanding durability, making it perfect for long-term projects in areas that require high-capacity cutting power. Next, NIAB 5-15. The NIAB 5-15 is a processor designed for small to medium-scale logging needs. This machine can cut and split tree trunks into smaller pieces right on site, saving time and effort. Its main advantage is its compact, lightweight design, which offers high mobility on challenging terrain. Next, Bandit 3590XL. The Bandit 3590XL is a large, highly efficient chipper designed to turn whole trees into wood chips. It's often used in large-scale logging projects to produce wood chips for the bioenergy industry. With its powerful cutting capacity, it can process large trees in no time. The Bandit 3590XL is known for its stable performance on various terrains and is extremely reliable for projects that demand high efficiency. Next, Ficon FT-X128L. The Ficon FT-X128L is a powerful mulching machine, perfect for shredding trees into chips right on site. It features a strong track system, allowing it to move easily across challenging terrains, like rocky or muddy areas. With its sharp and durable mulcher head, the Ficon FTX128L is highly efficient for land clearing and incredibly useful for vegetation management projects. Next, Robode Forest Cut 1600. The Robode Forest Cut 1600 is a tree-cutting attachment for tractors, highly efficient for selective logging or land clearing. With its high capacity for cutting thick trees, the Forest Cut 1600 enables quick forest clearing. This machine is designed for tasks that require mobility and flexibility in hard-to-reach areas. Next, Braca C16.C. The Braca C16.C is a land clearing machine that turns trees and vegetation into mulch for land restoration. It's ideal for land clearing or reforestation, especially in areas with ecological damage. Equipped with powerful cutting blades, the Braca C16.C can shred trees and shrubs into mulch, making it valuable for environmental restoration projects. Next, Nisula 555H. The Nisula 555H is a lightweight yet powerful cutting head, perfect for selective logging in dense forest areas. It's versatile and can be mounted on various machines, allowing for precise and efficient felling. The Nisula 555H is a popular choice for operators seeking flexibility in logging without damaging surrounding trees. Next, Farmy 260HFC. The Farmy 260HFC is a reliable chipper designed to process trees and branches into small chips. It's well suited for the bioenergy industry or large-scale wood chip production. With its efficient design, high cutting capacity, and easy maintenance, the Farmy 260HFC is ideal for sustainable logging projects. Next, Woodcracker C550. Woodcracker C550 is a powerful tree-cutting tool capable of chipping tree trunks into pieces in no time. It's specifically designed for land clearing or vegetation management projects. Its key advantage lies in its ability to efficiently break down trees without the need for additional equipment. With a modular design that simplifies maintenance, the Woodcracker C550 is perfect for long-term use in forested areas. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.